Business owners and HR professionals, we've cracked the code to HR success. Coming to Memphis January 18th, HR Success Academy Live. This is a free event to help you understand HR laws and how to structure your organization for success in 2014. Seats are limited and you must register to attend this powerful event. January 18th at 4 Points Memphis Southwind. HR professionals all over the country have benefited from the HR Success Academy. Learn the 3 C's. Clarity, being clear about expectations of employees. Content, learn how to create legal content. Consistency, be consistent with treatment of employees. January 18th at 4 Points Hotel Memphis Southwind. And if you feel the event wasn't worth your time, they'll give the charity of your choice $50. Register online today, HRSAMemphis.com. Call 901-254-8472. That's 254-8472 for more information.